Hello everyone, welcome to Tala Food. Today let's cook something super easy and delicious. We only need ground beef, potato, onion and eggs. Let's start. We cut 2 medium-sized potatoes into small dice. Finely chop 1 medium-sized onion. 500 grams of ground beef. We put the onions and the potatoes inside. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Two eggs. Four tablespoons of cornstarch. We mix them well. One teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of black pepper. If you like spicy flavor, you also can add some chili powder here, but I made this one for my kids, so I didn't put any pepper. We make it into a hamburger shape, but a little bit thicker. Cook inside the oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Let's enjoy it with your favorite sauce. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.